Junior Doctors! Welcome back to Junior Doctor Fiona Chow's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dissect a fish. Okay, so before watching this video, if you're sensitive, please shut this video down immediately. And second, before watching this video, remember to go and look at my dissection precautions, including cautions about lab coats, gloves, and goggles. Okay, now we can start. So let's start with the gills, how the fish absorbs oxygen into the red blood cells so that it could live. Okay, so let's start. So this is the mouth of the fish, and the air goes in the mouth of the fish and it absorbs, and then here, as you can see, are the 4 gills of the fish. Here you can see 4 gills. There, 4 gills. And in these 4 gills, there are the gill rakes here, and the gill arches, and the gill fibers. So the oxygen exchanges the blood at the gill fibers, and the blood, the red blood cells, will carry the oxygen from this artery and into the heart. This is the heart. So this is the atrium, and this is the ventricle, where the heart comes back with deoxygenated blood, and the deoxygenated carbon dioxide goes out of the body. Okay, and after that you could see the most important organ, one of the most important organs, the liver. And this is really important because, as you can see, technical difficulties. As you can see, the heart, the blood, comes in here and it is filtrated so that the toxic elements would be urinated out of the body, and the nutrients would stay in the body so that the body is nutritious. And as you can see, here is the blood vessels that attach the blood to the liver. And here is the kidney. So for humans, the kidney are two fist-sized kidneys around our stomachs. However, for fish, it's all around the body. So here, this dark red part is the kidney. Okay. Okay, so let's stop the video here for today, and we will continue on with the stomach, the digestive system, as well as the reproductive system in the next video. Okay, so see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to eat healthy, exercise, and enjoy life. Thank you, and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you, and see you next time.